beautiful KNJ family. I know my eyes them red. I am so tired. But guys, but decided I'm gonna do that video here tonight. Thank you guys so much for all the love and support. Thank you, I really and truly appreciate it. Guys, me can feel the love, you know. Me can feel the love. Every time I read in a comment them, I just feel the love. Thank you guys so much. I want to do for continue for just support me all and I can. Share the video them, like, comment. Yeah, or just spam the comment section. Share up the video them to everybody. Everybody wanna know they tell them about K and J. Yeah man. Shani_official girl, may I tell you thumbs up to you, man. I love how you're active in the comment. I know you watch the video them. I know you watch the video them. I not ask Christ. Because you just keep on talk about the things them way you see in the video. But just love how you're active. Live with Chrissy and Riri. I love the video where you do for me the other day. Believe me, I love the video. You make me feel so special. Life with Chrissy and Riri. Yo, just big up on yourself, man. Big up on yourself, man. Appreciate you know, guys. All I want to subscribe to me, I appreciate you know. Just want to know that. I can't stop saying it. Can't stop saying it. I appreciate you know so much. So guys, thank you for subscribing, liking, commenting, and continue to share up the video. I appreciate it too, but it's so late him end up drop asleep and can't even get for say thanks. So on this behalf, thank you guys. Remember, if you don't want me to shout in the audio, just go and be active in the comment section. Remember to share the video them, like and comment underneath it guys, and then we're getting a little shout out as well. And thank you again so much guys for the support, for the love, for everything. I really and truly appreciate it. And remember, if you just share up the video them with your friends and the family, share the video them with everybody, alright? And again, thank you. Now make the video too long. I make it short and spicy, but Shani_official and life with Chrissy and Riri. Big up on yourself. I want you to go over them channel, go over them Instagram page, and just follow them, subscribe to them. I'm going to leave the link in the description below. So you can just, you know what to do. Not sure. So you just do the thing now, man. Make it happen. Alright? So you just big up on yourself. Alright? Have a blessed night. Stay safe.